Recently I discovered a really cool effect called Pendulum Effect, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Pendulum Effect to your videos. For this effect I use app called CapCut Video Editor. So you can download this from Play Store, and here we go. Now we need to start new project and we are going to select couple of images. So here are my photos. Now let's see how we can implement this effect. So select one image, then here you can see the animation button. Going into that, we are going to select the combo option right over here. Now you have to search for effect called pendulum, and there you can see there are two pendulum effects available. So one moves from right to left and another one's opposite manner. So you can use those in an alternate manner to create a really good pendulum effect. So here I'm applying the pendulum one to the first photo, then select the second photo and select pendulum 2 effect. Now you can continue applying this effect to all of your images in alternate manner, and then you can see amazing results. To make this effect a complete pendulum effect, we are going to add a music onto our clip and synchronize with our video effect. By looking at the audio waveforms, you can see the beats of the music. So I'm going to select the particular photo and trim the size of the photo to the particular beat, and here you can see selecting the next photo and then trim it down according to the beat length. You can continue doing this for all of your images and make a really good synchronized pendulum effect. Once you're done with all the editing, you can simply export your video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.